First of all, I believe there's an international lobby that works day in and day out just to denigrate, reduce, and debase India. As you yourself rightly pointed out, there are more than 56 Islamic nations wherein you cannot even be a citizen. And on the contrary, there's India. India, as the oldest civilization, has had an ethos of assimilation where all the persecuted minorities from all the neighboring countries come, and in fact, we have a point process of giving them citizenship. The opposition led by the Dotted India Alliance has wrongfully misguided the Muslims of India against CAA, and even if it were not for CAA, we have a five-point process from descendancy to birth to naturalization. So we have a long process of giving citizenship. And since there are 56 Islamic countries, I ask of you, tell me one Islamic country which is secular, which is democratic, or which is republic. I'm sure you know there's none. But India is secular, India is democratic, India is a republic country. And yes, for me, this is not a facile issue or that you can pigeonhole into a Hindu-Muslim communal, narrow-minded debate. And why people say that why only target a specific class, that is Muslims? Because the Abrahamic faith, especially the Muslims, they have the process of polygamy, multiple marriages. They believe in proceduralization, conversions, and we do have the infiltration from the neighborhood countries, and that too, especially of Muslims. So this is where they can rapidly increase the population. And on the contrary, believing that we have our Hindus, we don't convert, we don't have this infiltration from neighboring countries, we don't have the process of multiple marriage. So how can we increase our population? There's no chance in that. The TFR, total fertility rate, on an average of nationally is 2.1, but for the Muslims it is 2.36, and for the Hindus it is 1.94. So the moment Hindus become minority in this very Hindu Rashtra, that is India or Bharat, we will sooner or later be reduced and transmogrified into a Shariat state.